Enforcement, and simply what I was referring to was some of that enforcement has been captured and will be meeting on video images and will be put out on social media so the people of the city can see the NYPD is very, very serious about this enforcement. Any other questions? Yes.
Do you have an estimated price tag for the snowstorm?
Not yet. I mean, the good news for this season is we had a very substantial snow budget in place given what we saw the last couple of years. We did not use that snow budget until this point in any meaningful way. I think I might have the number here, but the fact is this is the first one, so I think we budgeted 77 million, if I'm getting this right, for this fiscal year, and this is really the first time we're tapping into that in a meaningful way. So I think we're in good.
All right, guys, you ready for a blizzard? Hey Guido.
You like that?
Say hi to the camera. It's miserable, right? God. Yeah, no, it's not supposed to stop until 9 o'clock. But as you guys can see, it is miserable out. Man, our trip is in February. In the middle of February, we're going to Disney World. And God only knows, I cannot wait for February to get out of here. We were doing so good this winter, and all of a sudden we just got hit with this blizzard. The whole winter was pretty mild, not too bad. We had a few cold days, but nothing serious. Then all of a sudden, wham! The end of January, we get nailed. As you guys can see, we're supposed to be getting 30 inches by 9 o'clock. It looks like 30 inches already to me. Oh, by the way, also too, they closed all the streets. They sent notifications on everybody's cell phone. I know I got it on my cell phone to be off the roads by 2:30. No one's allowed on the roads past 2:30, which is pretty crazy for New York. I mean, New York is always ready for stuff like this, but sometimes it's hard to beat the snowfall when it's just coming down. When it's coming down like this. Anyway, I'm gonna take some footage for you guys and you guys enjoy. As you guys can see, I'm in the middle of the street. No cars. This doesn't happen very often here in New York. Check it out. Gotta love it. January the 23rd, 2016. It is right now 4:30. And it's supposed to carry on until 9 o'clock, so we'll see what happens. And right now I'm walking down the middle of the road talking to you guys. Oh man, you know what stinks though is this happened on a Saturday. This is supposed to happen on a Monday during the week, not on a Saturday. What the heck? Sorry kids. It'll be cleaned up by tomorrow, I'm sure. Although the streets are still pretty bad with the snow. Check it out. inside. It is so cold outside. My hands, my fingers got so cold. So I had to get a tea, really good peppermint tea. I'm getting ready to go back outside in a minute, but I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna take a couple of quick shots and that's it for today. Miserable day today. Whew. I'm coming, Florida. I'm coming soon. Can't wait. Hopefully we're going down to Florida for a few weeks, so hopefully that'll kill February, and hopefully March, and then spring will come and the warm weather. No more of this crap. Got hit hard this time. But anyway, I'll see you guys in just a minute. I'm gonna sit in here for a few more minutes. Okay, thank you. Have a good night. Alright. Oh. Alright guys. I hope you feel for me, or feel for all New Yorkers right now on January the 23rd, 2016. And wish everybody was down in Florida and having fun at Disney. But it's time for me to go inside, and I will leave you with another time lapse. And I'm gonna go inside because guess what? Black Sails starts tonight. I don't know how many people watch Black Sails, but it is on tonight. New season, season 3. So I'm going back inside to enjoy the warm weather with my wife and son. So anyway, you guys have a great rest of the winter, I guess, or great day, because I will see you guys soon. And please subscribe, please like, and I will see you guys on the next video. So you guys have a good one. Bye.